is it safe to say that the S&P 500 is really a gigantic mega cap tech iceberg?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a very specialized niche index in many ways, and it doesn't make it good or bad. It's just you need to be aware of what it is, and that's why if you think back to earlier in the year when we had extreme volatility back in April because of tariffs and all that stuff, people were horrified and in disbelief that the S&P 500, that the market could behave the way that it did and lose 10% in a day or something. But if you look at what's actually in the S&P 500, it might behave a lot like a single technology stock, because a lot of the constituents, really what's really in the S&P 500 is driven largely by a small number of technology stocks.
And think about what would happen if we had a huge shift in the AI narrative and all of a sudden it became a negative story and all of a sudden the pullbacks happen in that. How much ramification would it have in the S&P 500? It would likely be pretty massive.
Oh, it would be huge. It would be huge. And it works both ways, right? I mean, it's been a great investment in recent years, and part of it is the AI craze, and we'll see how that develops. But certainly in terms of themes and factors, it's a very concentrated play on technology.